my DIY is something very special and very different, and this particular combination of tamarind and hibiscus is something that I have specifically created for all those who have been constantly asking about scars, blemishes, whether it's on my Q&A or on my DMs. And this has been a very big problem for a lot of people, where even if they get rid of the acne, they are left with a lot of blemishes and scars, which gives you that uneven skin tone. So the combination that I have created today is not only going to give you radiant glowing skin, but also for those who have been suffering from blemishes. If you have been constantly using this pack at least consecutively for about 4 weekends, you'll see great results, and you will be able to see a visible difference in the appearance of your scars and blemishes. And the bonus is radiant glowing skin even for those who have no acne. So the combination of tamarind and hibiscus is amazing for anti-acne, anti-inflammatory, any kind of puffiness, any kind of bacterial infestation that your skin is used to, open pores, tanning. So we have plenty of benefits coming here. And I have used 4 simple products from our iPink range in this particular recipe. Of course, I always give an option for you guys to choose whatever is available to you easily as well. So those options are mentioned in the recipe, but I will just show you exactly what I have used in this recipe, which are among the iPink product range. So I have used the iPink Skin Aloe, which is something that I swear by. And I think this is amazing for bright glowing skin and for any combination of pack, and also when it comes to acne, this works amazingly. This is my pet favorite for any skin pack now. I just feel I can't do without this one. And you can also choose your own aloe vera gel. You can mix in just a pinch of wild turmeric and you can use it. That would be like a basic, but of course it will still give you that lovely glow. And in addition to that, I have the toner, which is the iPink toner, which I have added, which is again antibacterial, and this will also give you that glow and close your pores, so not allow too many open pores. And I have our own Silk Nectar tea, which I think a lot of you must be already familiar with. This is something that is always off the shelves, guys, so never available. Most of the time it's like sold out within a couple of days. And this is our lip butter, which I have used as a natural lip butter. And I of course always believe that moisturize your lips and use as natural as possible, and always keep your lips hydrated. You don't want dry cracked lips, and at the same time bright glowing skin. It's just like a absolute no. So let's start with our recipe, the tamarind hibiscus anti-acne face pack. So for this pack, I have a fresh hibiscus flower along with hibiscus leaves, some sweet tamarind, our Silk Nectar green tea. This is our very own iPink Silk Nectar tea, and we're going to boil all of these together to start preparing our pack. So after straining, these are the 2 parts of the pack that we have got. Here is the pulp, which we're going to create a pack of, and here is the liquid. All I'm going to do is add a pinch of white salt to this liquid, mix it up nicely, and then we're going to put it in the tray, freeze it into ice cubes, which can be used as an anti-acne ice pack throughout the week. And here we're going to prepare our face pack right away. This pulp is already amazing for anti-acne, guys, and I'm gonna add to it our very own Skin Aloe, which is the iPink Skin Aloe. You can also choose to add a basic aloe vera gel which you may have at home, and along with that a pinch of wild turmeric, which really works brilliantly when it comes to anti-acne. And along with this, I'm gonna give it a little more boost with our toner. So here I'm using the iPink toner, guys, and this works brilliantly when it comes to getting rid of acne, open pores, keeping the skin tight, as well as giving us that fabulous glow and no more acne. So it kind of closes your pores and it will not allow any bacterial built up on the skin which causes acne. So here our pack is ready, and it's a gel-like consistency, and we can use it for our face, neck, or specifically areas which you want to target for blemishes and acne. So as usual, I have moisturized my lips with the Eye Pink Lip Butter. It's just important to moisturize your lips, guys. So whenever you apply anything all over your skin and neck, whether it's a pack, whether it's a cream, you will always feel dry on your lips, and then the lips get more and more chapped. So it's always a great idea to use something on your lips and moisturize them and naturally nourish them. And I have also straight away used this pack. There is absolutely no atta, no besan, guys, as you can see. It just naturally sticks onto your skin and remains there. Let the skin soak in all the nourishment and the hydration. Let it not get more dry with the besan and atta that you're going to add. This particular pack is different. All you need to do is pat it all over your face. You don't need to even rub it, and it just will stick onto your skin and give you that amazing glow. Even if you have no acne, you can use it just for bright glowing skin. So in addition to this amazing pack, you can also use these ice cubes which I have created, and all you need to do is take one ice cube and rub it all over your skin, especially if you are suffering from acne. All you need to do is ensure that every day after you wash your face, especially with a good anti-acne cleanser, you can use this ice cube as a natural toner for your skin, which also has antibacterial properties. So it's going to completely protect your skin from further any acne or breakouts and continue to give you the glow for the entire week. So this DIY can be prepared on a weekend, and you can use these ice cubes throughout the week. So you have like a DIY prepared for you for the entire week. So this combination DIY is something that is very effective for people suffering from acne. And in addition to that, if you just want something very simple and something very natural, which is going to continue to give you glowing skin, I think this is a must try. I hope all of you try this DIY and like it, enjoy the results, and I look forward to seeing you again with another special DIY next Sunday on our Sunday self-care day. Stay beautiful, stay natural, stay Eye Pink.